another traditional and absolutely delicious dessert. You are going to learn how to make Kithul flour pudding. I'm Humaira and welcome to Humaira Nafan's kitchen. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Let's jump right in. Let me tell you a little bit about Kithul. It's also known as Kayo Tyrants. This flowering plant is mainly native to Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar and Malaysia. It's amazing for diabetes, gastritis, migraine headaches and also urinary disorders. Now let's get to making. These are your ingredients: 96 grams of jaggery, 125 grams of Kithul flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder or extract, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 750 ml of coconut milk. Start by mixing the jaggery into the coconut milk. Then mix the rice flour into the Kithul flour. Put the Kithul mixture in a pot along with the coconut milk mixture. Mix till well dissolved. Add your cardamom powder, vanilla powder or extract and finally your salt. And mix it till it's well combined. Now let's go to the stove. Set the flame to low heat and you have to continuously mix. You cannot stop till it reaches the final thick consistency. According to your wish, you can even add plums or cashews. And this is your final consistency. Now you can pour it into a heat-safe dish. There is no need of greasing the dish before pouring. Now you can let it cool if you want to cut it to slices. If you want to enjoy it warm, you can. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Drop a like and leave a comment. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the right to subscribe to my channel and click on the left top to watch my gulab jam video and the left bottom to watch my ASMR playlist. Bye bye!